Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training, and I want to continue on with this framing of this little house I'm working on. We did our roof. Now we're going to look at this deck. So basically I've laid out the beams or the columns here, and I've got some 2 by what is the size of those? 2 by 12 timber, uh, and they might not have to be that big. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at a beam system again, but we're going to lay out this deck. So basically all we do is like we did on the roof, just go in here and go to our structure, beam system. And now here what I want to do, I want to just pick line, and let me see, I want to pick that. No, I don't want to do it that way. Let's cancel that out. Yes, so I want to go into my plan view here. I think it's my second level. Oh yeah. So here in our second level, we want to do a beam system here. And it should let us, you can look at our properties and make sure we're on level 2. We are, and we got we got 18-inch span here. We could probably do 2 feet, but let's go with the 18. This is up to structural engineering. We're using a 2 by 6 lumber here. I might want to make that. Let's go with 2 by 12 for now. We could be anything as long as it's a beam system. So what I have here, I want to do the automatic or sketch, but for now we want to do the automatic. And I'm going to just place my cursor here. And there we have our beam system. Now we got a message here, lines might be slightly off axis and may cause inaccuracy. That's okay for this, because we can break it down and do whatever. So now I'm gonna go back into my 3D view and have a look. So there's our beam system, and we're gonna finish it. And beam direction not specified. Okay, we wanna do the beam direction there back into our level 2. Here, and let's go edit this. We'll just select this here, and okay, we got to edit that first. So let's cancel this. Let's select it, edit, and then we got this span direction is fine, but this is how you do that. You can go from here to here with. And there's our inaccuracy right there that we were looking at. Let's see if we can fix that. We'll just go ahead and delete this out. I'm gonna delete. And then, oh, see, that's what's happening there. That's all crooked. See if we can straighten that out right here. If not, we'll just move on and I'll fix it later. And then we're gonna finish it. Okay, it's still a little off. So now we have our deck, our wood. So then what I want to do here is I'm gonna set a floor on top of this, a wood floor. So let's go back into 3D and see what we got. So we've got our deck going pretty good. Now here I placed a joist hanger. And to do joist hangers is very simple. This is a little more detailed than what we used to. So what I do for that, I might drop a section view here in front of the plan view. Let's go back into the plan view here. This is level 2. Yep. And I already got a little section cut there. But I did this before, like I do all of them. And then here's my joist hanger. So I'm going to copy that guy just to there. I could do would probably be better if I did an array, but I'm being lazy just to show you this. But yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. Helps me pay for this software and other things, and we'll just bring these right through. I'm sorry I didn't do the array, I should have. And I'll show you how to do that quickly. Maybe we'll do that on the other end because we need these on both sides. So there's our joist hangers here. And we'll go back and look at this in our 3D view. So there are our joist hangers that we're going to use. And then we'll need them on this side as well. So I'm going to see if I can do this with this one here. You might be able to mirror this across. Let's try it. So let's go select it. I want to mirror. Should be a midpoint somewhere here. Okay, I'm not getting it. Okay, so anyway, let's do it. Well, let's finish this part, then we'll do the floor because we need to have these joist hangers in place. Let's go back into our floor plan level 2. And okay, I see one there. So I'm going to grab that one. Yep. And I'm going to see if I can mirror that across. That. And there's my midpoint and go there. Okay, looks like we got it. So then I'm going to flip this section view here. Just so we can pick that up. And then we're going to see if we can do an array here. Did we get it in there? Looks a little off. Oh, there we got it. So let me see what's going on. Oh, that's the one that we got bent. So that's why it's looking like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can do an array. Go to modify, array. I'm going to select this guy. My properties. Okay, now I'm going to go last here. And I'm going to just select this last one here. Well, this one here. And, oh, I think I did that wrong. Yep, sorry folks. How do you do that now? Anybody remember that? You just select this one and do the array command. And then I want to go last. And the number is, I don't know, how many we got here? One, let's just say 10 for now. I'm guessing here. And then we'll go last and hit the last one. Oh, I'm doing it the wrong way, but that's okay. Oh, did it backwards, guys. Sorry. So I'm gonna just undo that and I'll do it manually for now to continue this exercise. So I'm just gonna copy this. So anybody remember how to do array, please let me know, because I forgot. And then I want to constrain this. Just go from there, there. So these are our joist hangers. These are going to hold the joists into place. And on the back wall we have a plate. So we're going to bring that on across at the center point. Don't worry about that one. So, uh-oh, what's going on here? Let's see what happened there. Oh, my bad. So these are in a different location. So I want to get these out of here. These will go way out here. So what I can do for that, this is what we'll do. We'll just delete these here. And then I'm going to align, let me bring one of these back. And what I want to do, I'm going to just align these over here to this portion right here. So I'm going to align. I'm going to go from there. I want to bring that guy there. So let's go from where you want to go. Let's go align him to there. But you got the idea, folks. I don't want to drag this video too long. I'm going to align this one here to there. And so on and so forth. Align that one to there. Want that plate and that face. Okay, what's going on here? I'm gonna go from Got a problem with that one, I think. There you go. So anyway, you get the idea. So there's our joist hangers, some of them anyway. I need some more out here, but I'll do those later. So what I do now is I would go into level 2 here and just do something real simple here. So I'm gonna go into my level 2. And then I'm gonna draw my floor. So I'm just going to architecture floor. And here in our properties, we've got a 10-inch wood floor. So I'm just gonna go with a generic, just a straight up wood floor or generic. Or let's just go with this 10-inch wood finish and duplicate it into something else. So what we do here, we'll just go and use the pick line command, the pick wall. No, we'll use the sketch command here, and we'll just draw our floor in here. There, go to there, here. Got a stair there, so we'll bring that here. So we've got this little issue right here where I'm gonna have to fix. Come here and down to here and here, and it's got to be closed. So I'm going to close this up here. Now here I'm going to finish it, and there's my wood floor, but it's going to be too thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit type, and I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to call this deck. Or you can call it whatever you want. Okay, and I'm going to change the construction of it here. So I don't need none of this because I've got my structure. I need my plywood sheeting. I'll keep that. So this wood rafter, I'll just delete it out of here. I don't need it. Oak flooring, plywood sheeting. We'll get rid of that as well. So now we're going to have 3/4 inches of flooring. I'm going to apply this and hit OK. And that should be our deck. So let's look at this in 3D view. And there you go. You got our deck here, and then we need to get some railing on it. So we got our joist hangers. So I'll go back into my level 2 here. Thanks for watching, guys. Might leave it here because we all know how to do railing. Let me put this in anyway. So we've got our architecture, and we go to railing. And we might want to do that. Okay, we need to be in a plan view. That's what that's all about, I think. So here we got our railing here, and we just go to railing. I'm going to sketch my path. I want to sketch from here, say to there. Then I want to sketch from here. There. Up to there. It's going to be our opening for the stairs. And we're going to finish that for now. Then we're going to do another one here. So let's see what's going on in 3D view. So there's part of our railing. Let's just window tile these. WT. And we'll add our railing over here and it'll be done. So let's just go add our railing here. There. And up to there. So hey guys, that's it. That's how you do a deck with joist hangers. Oh gosh, man, this could be this could give you a headache. A pain in the ass sometimes. I'm sorry for the French. Pain in the butt sometimes. We're gonna go there and finish. So there's our porch, our deck with our railing and the joist hangers and everything. So hey guys, appreciate you watching the video. Please subscribe. Help me make videos like this all the time. And there we go. So we've got our roof framing and we've got our deck. We might want to push this up a little bit, but anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and helps me make videos like this all the time. Thanks again and bye. Be safe, y'all. Please be safe. Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe.